Hey everyone, welcome to Best English Classes. This is Saksham Kalra. Here I will tell you about my hobby, that is cooking. So during lockdown, I tried a lot of new dishes. I enjoy and I love cooking as it makes me happy. But I must say that for some people it's little boring, but for me it's my passion and my hobby. I started cooking at age of 15. I began with easy things. When I grew up, I started learning from my father, a proper cooking from my father. The first dish I prepared was a cake on my parents' anniversary. That was a chocolate cake. Sometimes I cook for homeless and orphan kids and I distribute to them. The main reason I cook is because it keeps me stress free. Sometimes I feel lucky that I can cook a restaurant style dishes, cuisines. My signature dish is chow mein. I love. Though I don't get much time for my hobby as I'm pursuing MBBS from Philippines, I like to cook on weekends as special food takes time to prepare. I also watch cookery shows on TV and YouTube videos mainly. I also buy cookbooks. I feel very happy and my hobby gives me pleasure, a lot of pleasure. Lastly, I want to say that I would like to invite you, sir, at my house so that I can prepare a nice dish for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.